Caesar salad. Toss this classic dressing with crisp romaine lettuce and fresh toasted croutons, and you'll get 4 stars every time. You can add chicken or shrimp and make it as a main. In a food processor, combine 2 ounces of Parmesan cheese and a large garlic clove and pulse. Then add a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of water, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of anchovy paste, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Pulse and then transfer everything to a bowl. Refrigerate the dressing at least an hour to allow flavors to blend. Toast some bread for croutons and enjoy.